Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This gingerbread man bookmark is super cute and makes a fantastic gift for the holiday season. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the gingerbread bookmark, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn in the color camel and white. You can also use black and red depending on how you want to decorate your gingerbread man. I'm also using a G+ 4.5mm hook. You can also use some googly eyes or some felt if you prefer decorating your gingerbread man with those. Chain 7. Now, 1 single crochet per chain starting from the second chain from the hook. So you're going to end up with 6 single crochets per row. Now turn and 1 single crochet, I'm skipping my turning chain, per single crochet. You're going to crochet 30 rows of just that. It's going to look like this in the end. And now we're going to add the arms and the legs. You're going to add 2 arms right here on the side. I already added 1 arm so you can see how it looks like. Now we're going to add the other arm on the other side. So we're going to have 3 stitches per row. So simply add your slip stitch and make a chain, or just add it right into as a single crochet. You're going to have 3 single crochets per row, and now you're going to turn and going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch again. At the very last stitch, you're going to switch colors to white. Simply drop your other color, bring the white through and turn. Now 1 single crochet in per stitch in white, and that's for 2 rows. So again, we're still at 3 single crochets per row, and you're doing 2 rows in white. And in the last stitch, again, you're going to switch colors. So you had dropped your color. So now just going to pick it back up. Now you can also cut it if you prefer not seeing that little line, but I don't mind it. It's in the back of it, so it's not going to be too visible. And now we're going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch. So again, it's 3 stitches in the camel color. And turn, and now we have 1 more row, and you're going to pick up each stitch 1 loop, and we're going to do a decrease with that. So we're going to have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through and make a slip knot. Now weave in your ends, and as I said, do this twice on each side once, and then repeat the exact same thing on the bottom again. So the hands and the feet are all the same. So again, that's down here 3 stitches and 3 stitches, and repeat the exact same process 1 more time. So feet and legs are all the same. Now it's time to make the head. You're going to make a magic ring and chain 1 and add 7 single crochet stitches to the magic ring. Then close the ring. You can use your yarn as your stitch marker. You're going to crochet 2 single crochets per stitch all the way around. That means in round 2, you should have 14 stitches at the end of the round. Now move up your stitch marker and crochet one more round of 1 single crochet, and the following stitch 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and do that until the end of the round. Now turn and crochet 3 single crochets, 1 in each stitch, and then sew on your head to your bookmark. Once you're done, it looks like this. You have the same arms and legs, they all look the same, and you have the head attached. I added some googly eyes, and now we just need to add the mouth and then a couple buttons. Now, how you want to do the buttons and the mouth is up to you. You can have it white or red or black. I'm just going to use white for all of it. So in order to make the mouth, I'm going to put my yarn through from one side and then go through the exact same spot on the other side. Now I'm going to turn and I'm going to weave my yarn through to the center but bottom piece. So just going to weave it through so that way you don't see the yarn at the back here so much. So I'm just going to do it like this. But I'm leaving the loop here in the front a little bit looser. So you can still adjust that. And now I'm going to take my needle and go through right in the center between the two and have the mouth and have the loop here on the bottom below the needle. I'm going to pull it through. And now I'm going to push it back. So roughly right underneath, go through with my needle again and pull to the back. So now I'm going to adjust my yarn here so that way it's a cute little smile. Now all there's left to do is the buttons, and I used some felt, I cut it out and glued it on. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos, and the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.